Energy transfer. A device that transfers energy from one form to another is called a machine or transducer. The crane does work in lifting the mass. Electrical energy supplied to the crane's motor is transferred to gravitational potential energy of the raised mass. The man does work in compressing the spring of the catapult. Chemical energy in his muscles is transferred to strain potential energy of the compressed spring. When the spring is released, the stored potential energy is transferred to kinetic energy of the moving mass. The rocket fuel contains a store of chemical energy. As the fuel burns, this energy is transferred to heat, causing the exhaust gases to expand rapidly. The exhaust gases are forced out of the rocket, and this drives the rocket forward. Some of the chemical energy of the fuel is transferred to kinetic energy of the rocket.